So what is it? It is the buttermilk pancakes. Yeah. Now this one says just add water, so you can do that. Never add water to the one that says add milk. That doesn't work. I tried it, and it leaves a hole in the middle of the pancake. So I'm gonna use the canola butter. Yep, that good stuff. And I got some butter in the pan already. And little trick, I'm going to take this cinnamon and mix that with the mix. Okay, so now you can see I mixed the cinnamon with the pancake mix. That's going to give it a little more flavor on the inside, IHOP style. Alright, there's my pancake mix. Looks like cream of wheat because I mixed it with some cinnamon. Stir it till those lumps are pretty much smooth. Just inserted my first pancake. I'm gonna let that cook until I see the holes at the top, and then flip it and do the other side. There's some more mix, so I got enough for 2 pancakes about that size. That pancake's still not ready to flip. It's because I'm using a thicker frying pan, and the surface stoves sometimes needs a little something thinner to get to it quicker. So I suggest, if you're going to do that, to use a thinner frying pan. See what I'm talking about? Thick frying pan, thick pancake. You kind of need a thinner frying pan to make this happen faster. But it'll get there. It's about time I was able to make the flip. Now I'm gonna let that cook on that side for about an hour, and then then I'll be ready to eat. Okay. There's that pancake. That came out good. Now I am on the second pancake. It's going to be slightly smaller because I ran out of mix, but this should cook faster. The stove is hot. The pan is finally heated up because this is a thicker pan, and it takes time for thicker pans to get the heat going. So it shouldn't be too long, and I'll be able to flip it and do the other side, and then I can scramble my eggs in the microwave. The ghetto way. Alright. Now that pancake is ready. Looks good, don't it? Right? Put that on there. Get the egg taken care of. Alright. So, okay, the ghetto way, alright? Just put everything you want in this bowl. So I put the egg. I'm going to do 1 egg. I put some butter. You know, it's the canola oil butter. And then I just threw some cheese. And now I'm going to put this, set that to a minute. And we'll see how that turns out. Just heard the microwave beep. Let's see. Not bad. Nah, it'll work. Okay, so the microwave The microwave actually scrambled the egg for me. Now I'm scrambling it from this bowl. The microwave scrambled it halfway, and I will scramble it the other halfway. Me and the microwave are working together. We are a family. We are a team. We are married. I don't know about marriage. Okay, got some options between the maple bacon and the butter flavor. I tried this maple bacon. It just wasn't what I thought it was gonna be. So I'm gonna set that one aside. Company might like it. I'm gonna go with the butter flavored. Boom. And there's my meal. Right? Here we go. Right? Right? Looking good. I'm gonna work on it.